Alright, today I have a quick video on limp mode on Vtec, code P2646 and P2647. I recently swapped out this sensor here, and the reason I swapped it out is because this is what controls the Vtec spool. This is the oil pressure switch that allows Vtec to engage. I just replaced my radiator yesterday. My radiator cracked from the top, right where the stem of the metal and the plastic meets, right there. So this is a brand new one. This is actually for an automatic. I just plugged up the transmission cooling lines with some hose clamps, and it already had a little covers, so I just used hose clamps and it worked. So fun fact, you can use automatic radiator for these two. But that's besides the point. Anyways, so I've been hitting limp mode. The check engine light comes on. I can't engage Vtec, and it's because the sensor is actually moisture in there. It's wet. The reason I took it off is because I wanted to see and clean it out, make sure everything's nice and good. This O-ring actually belongs right on the Vtec solenoid, so I'm going to remove it from here and just slap it on there. So this one is located right here, right behind the engine bay. There's two sensors on here. There's that one, and then this one's located right here next to the block of the motor. I took this out. You could see some moisture in there. I cleaned out the moisture, and when I was inspecting it, you could actually see a little bit of corrosion on the prongs. So I used a little bit of sandpaper to clean out the prongs, sprayed it with some electric cleaner. I sprayed the pigtails with that electric cleaner, but I think I'm gonna get a pick as well, and kind of hard to reach in there. I think I'm gonna just leave it alone. And to be honest with you, I really do not see a lot of corrosion in there. I don't see corrosion at all. So I think I'm gonna just spray that with some electric cleaner one more time and put everything back together, and we'll take it for a rip. I just want to let you guys know, because it is causing a check engine. It is causing for the car not to work correctly, how it should, because of the sensor here. And a lot of people go back and forth, of replacing, and doing this and doing that. When in reality, it's just this. You could see how one of them is super shiny and one's a little bit dull. Yeah, that's all that corrosion, buddy. So just make sure that sensor is clean, and we'll give it a rip right now, and hopefully that does it. Putting that sucker back into place. The O-ring, you do need a size 14mm socket. Where did I leave that sucker at? It was hiding behind that rag. And tie this sucker back down. Connect those sensors back into place with the pigtails, and we'll see what's up right now. We shall see what is the up. Alright, so this is full bolt-ons, hybrid racing, cold air 3.5 air intake. Fuck yeah, she's back, boys. We back in business. That's all she needed. A little TLC, some tender love and care. Hope this works out for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your guys' support on this 8th gen and the K series. Peace. Oh, and I just wanted to say I got interrupted by Vtec. Cold air intake 3.5. J35 spacer. RBC is bored to match the J35. Then we have the Skunk 2 alpha headers with the full race 3-inch exhaust. Tune on Honda by Josh Tune. Pushing about 227, 230. It's dope. That was a good rig. I love Vtec.